Meet the ratel, also known as the honey badger, also known as the animal kingdom's angriest gremlin. Now, before you ask, no, this is not a raccoon, this is not a weasel. This is a unit, a fluffy, rage-filled tank of a mustelid. You might have heard of their cousin, the North American wolverine. Well, these guys are about half their size but contain twice the fury. Watch this ratel walk through the savannah like it owns the place, because it absolutely does. Ratels don't care, they fear nothing. And when I say nothing, I mean lions, cobras, porcupines, full-on bee swarms, and common sense. Their main habitats are the harsh environments of sub-Saharan Africa and Southwest Asia, and they have committed to making that everyone else's problem. Look at this, ratel getting stung by bees, still going for honey. When a honey badger identifies their target, there is nothing on Mother Nature's green earth that will stand between them and their goal. They're like a furry, heat-seeking missile fueled by spite. Here's a fun fact. Their skin is so thick and rubbery, it's basically built-in armor. You can stab it with a machete, and it'll most likely laugh before eating your face. See this lion? Tries to bite the ratel. The ratel just wiggles out and attacks the lion's face instead. Their skin is also extremely loose, which means they can squirm out of most creatures' grasp, or more likely, turn around and bite them right back. As you can see, this lion learned that one does not simply eat a ratel. Ratels are like toddlers with rage issues and a gym membership. They're only about 25 pounds and up to 30 inches in length, but they will square up with anything. They'll charge leopards, they'll fight snakes, they'll even attack a Cape buffalo just to prove a point. If that's not enough, they are also highly resistant to venom. Not totally immune, but, like, annoyingly hard to kill. They pass out, reboot like Windows 95 and just keep going. Their life expectancy in the wild is unknown, because no badger has been known to go quietly into the night. Now their name, honey badger, comes from this adorable hobby, hunting down beehives for the sweet stuff. Do they care about being swarmed by 10,000 angry bees? No. Why? Because ratels have a dream, and that dream is sugar-covered bee larvae. Delicious. And if being a tiny menace wasn't enough, Mother Nature decided it would be hilarious to make them highly intelligent. These little devils are escape artists. Zoos have built Fort Knox enclosures, and the ratels will break out of them just to amuse themselves. They'll climb, dig, flip, chew, or manipulate tools if it gets them food or freedom. They're like furry, rage-powered engineers. Of course, this has caused some conflict with humans, since the ratel will use this genius-level mischief to break into chicken coops and raid farm facilities. Just picture a furry criminal mastermind digging, flipping rocks, and chasing animals twice their size. To sum up, the ratel is fearless, intelligent, and basically indestructible. It's the embodiment of chaotic neutral. If Mother Nature had a "do not mess with" list, this gremlin is in bold underlined with a skull emoji. So next time you think you're tough, ask yourself, would you slap a lion, bite a cobra, and take a nap mid-fight? No? Then you're not a ratel. Thanks for watching, and remember, honey badger don't give a fuck.